Welcome to the ultimate guide to breaking the 9 to 5.
I'm quitting right now.
In this video, I'm gonna tell you all of the exact steps that you need to take in order to become a successful dropshipper on eBay. Yes, you heard that right. You might think to yourself, hey, I know about this platform, eBay, but I have no idea how to get started. And you are absolutely right, because a lot of people think this way. This is why you need to watch this video, because in it, I'm gonna give you all of the secrets that, if applied correctly, are going to turn you into a successful eBay dropshipper. And also, by the end of this video, you should have a working dropshipping eBay store ready to make sales. Let's get started. So you might be asking yourself, why should I dropship on eBay? Well, first of all, you have free organic traffic. eBay is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world, and they have a lot of traffic. You can start with literally $0. You're gonna get 250 free listings a month. You're gonna get a lot of free marketing methods. You don't need any kind of tech skills. And the best part about it is that you can start selling right away from day one. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna show you how to start an eBay dropshipping business from scratch. The first thing that we need to do is to create an actual eBay account. So here we are, guys. This is the eBay website, ebay.com. Now, if you're from Canada, this might be ebay.ca. And if you're from other regions, they might change the domain name. But usually this is where the big traffic comes from. Sign in is in the case in which you already have an account, and register is what we're going to do right now, because we want to create a new seller's account. So let's click on that. All right, so right when you're creating a new account, you have the option to choose between personal and business. If you already have an LLC, you can go with the business one, but if you don't, that's fine. You can select the personal one and start with this. Put in your data here and click Create Personal Account. Verify that you're a human. Add your phone number to verify yourself and click Continue. And there you go. It says right here, your account has been created. Welcome to eBay. Now, next up, they're asking us to pick a username. As you can see right here, we can skip this step, but I highly advise you to not skip it. You want to have an original name, and they will assign a name automatically to you, so you don't want them to do that. This is why we're going to go with our original name. I don't know about you, but I already have an idea. Pickle Enterprises. Great, that one's all yours. Of course, it's all mine. Who would have thought about this before me? Let's click Continue. And there you go. You have our brand new seller's account. Now remember, if you do want to start selling something, you will need to fill up that information and your business address and bank details and all of that. But otherwise, we're good to go. We already have our brand new account. You already signed up with eBay, so they're going to give us 250 listings per month for free. That's the thing. All of the plans that I'm going to talk about now cost some money. So just by signing up, we're getting all of these 250 listings per month for free. And this is a great help. But just so you know, you have the option for store subscriptions. And as you can see right here, the store listings come in different shapes and sizes. The starter one will give you 250 listings per month. The basic one, 1,000 per month. And the premium one gives you 10,000 listings per month. And then we have this thing called insertion fee. This is basically what they will charge you after you pass the threshold. And these are not all of their plans. It can go up to Enterprise, which will give you 100,000 listings per month. Hopefully you will get there one day, but until then, let's just go with the basic one. Now, next up, is it legal to dropship on eBay? Because we're not seeing a lot of people doing this, to be honest. eBay is a marketplace in which you can sell and resell stuff. We don't quite see dropshippers in there, so is it legal? The short answer is yes, dropshipping is completely legal on eBay. The long answer is yes, but eBay makes it a bit complicated. So as you can see right here in their terms and conditions, dropshipping where you fulfill your order directly from a warehouse or supplier is allowed on eBay. So basically, if you're selling from a supplier, you can dropship on eBay. However, it says right here, if you are listing an item on eBay and then you're gonna purchase the item from another retailer and you tell them to ship your item to the final customer, that is not allowed. In general, eBay doesn't quite appreciate if we're dropshipping from other retailers. This is why it's best for us to take advantage of AutoDS's private suppliers. Guys, it's very, very important for us to work with fast suppliers. That's a crucial aspect of being a successful dropshipper on eBay. Just put yourself in the boots of your customers. If you want to buy something, you want to get it as fast as possible, so nobody likes to wait 10 days for a product. This is why it's highly recommended to work with vetted suppliers such as the ones that AutoDS is working with. However, many dropshippers are using big retail stores to dropship on eBay. As long as the items are being shipped correctly, on time, they don't have any faults, and they're described as in the listings, you should be good to go. It's up to you as a dropshipper to pick what supplier you want to work with. Now, just like any other online platform, they can ban your account if you don't follow their rules. Some of the reasons why eBay could ban you are the following: having a lot of disputes, selling products that are not allowed, being late with your product shipping multiple times, and much more. They have a lot of rules. You can check out their terms and conditions. Oh, and also, I almost forgot, you're not allowed to dropship branded items. So anything that's, I don't know, Nike shoes, Apple laptops, branded clothes, branded electronics, whatever, you're not allowed to sell them. In order for us to overcome these problems and to not get our account banned, we should first of all take care of disputes. Whenever we have a customer that is not happy with our products, hear them out and try to solve the problem amicably. Remember, an unsatisfied customer can bring you a lot of harm. Second of all, make sure to send your products on time. If someone has bought something, make sure to fulfill that order ASAP. Now, if you're going to break some rules without knowing it, there are some ways in which you can unban your eBay account. First of all, you're going to have to contact customer support in order to help you with that. If you want more information about this topic, you can check out this video. I'm going to leave you a link in the description, or you can just download the cheat sheet. Yes, there is a cheat sheet for this video. I highly encourage you to download it because it will help you tremendously. In that cheat sheet, you're going to see everything that I'm talking about in this video in a much more structured way, so it will help you a lot more. You can have it in your hand anytime you don't know what to do. If you want to get the cheat sheet, all you have to do is comment down below eBay 2024 and I'm going to take care of you. Next up, I want to let you know that every decision that eBay makes can be disputed. So make sure to always have your email at hand. Make sure to always check out your notifications because you want to be as prompt as possible when they're going to send you information about your account. Right when you open up a new eBay account, you will have some seller limits. For new accounts, that is 10 items per month or $500. Which one of these has been met first? And these are the limits once you pass that. So how can you actually increase these limits? First of all, make sure to fill up your current limits. Second of all, make sure to not have any open return cases. After that, make sure that your seller account is in very good standing and you have a verified managed payments account. Also, there are a lot more methods in which you can remove those restrictions. I'm going to include all of them in the cheat sheet, so make sure to comment down below. And if you want to increase these limits, they will generally be automatically increased by eBay if you reach a certain threshold. You can always request to list more, or you can just call them or send them an email. I would recommend you to call them. Now, of course, when we are selling something, we're going to have to pay some fees to eBay because that's how they make a living. In order to properly calculate your fees, you can use this tool that's provided by AutoDS that will help you calculate your fees. By the way, you'll get a link of this in the description. So now that we're all set, we have everything that we need. We have a business account set up, we have our eBay account, we're ready to roll. The next thing for us to do is one of the most important things that you can do as a dropshipper on eBay. Find the actual products that we want to sell. AKA, in e-commerce terms, this is called product research. We need to make sure that we're going to have some of the best products to sell on our eBay store in order to make some sales. Now, the first thing that I want to say here is that eBay is pretty different from Shopify. With Shopify, you can just upload one product and be successful with it, and that's it. With eBay, the volume will make the difference. So make sure to upload as many products as possible in order for you to become successful, to have a higher chance to become successful. eBay is a numbers game. The more products you have, the more chances you will have to succeed. And just to give you a scale, when I'm saying a lot of products, I don't mean 5 to 10 products. I mean hundreds, even thousands of products if you can do that. Now, do not upload all of the products at once because you might get banned. Make sure to upload every single day or every single week, or find your own schedule in which you can do product research and upload products to your eBay seller's account. The more products you will have listed on your account, the more chances to find a winning product. Alright, so how can we find the products that we can actually sell? There are multiple ways we can do this. One of the most popular methods is just go on TikTok and write, "TikTok made me buy it." This will show you all of the popular videos right now that are trending on TikTok, and all of them are basically including a product that's being sold. So if you scroll down, you're going to find a lot of cool products in here. All of these products are making waves in the market. So all of these products are guaranteed to be winning products, and a lot of people are buying them. And you can verify this by just checking the number of views. Check these crazy numbers out. 8 million views, 3 million views, 1 million views, 36 million views. It's absolutely insane. Now, these products are proven to be working already. The downside is the fact that there are a lot of stores selling these products and the competition is very high. Let's just pick one random product. Let's just go with this one. So this is a scrubbing gun. You can wash the dishes in a more fun way, I think. As you can see right here, it has close to 400,000 likes and more than 12 million views. So let's click on that. Let's click on their page where you can see what they are doing. So they are basically doing the same thing over and over again with the hopes of becoming viral. So somebody else is already testing the market for us. You can just take this as a lesson and convince yourself that this product is actually working. So you don't have to do all of the hard work. You don't have to do all kind of testing. You just have to come here and realize that somebody else is doing this. They are being pretty popular with it. And all you have to do is just go to their website. They usually have a website listed in their homepage. So let's click on this and let's click on open. This will take us to their page. It's a pretty simple page. It's nothing crazy. It's just a dropshipping store. So all of the dropshipping stores are looking pretty much the same when it comes to selling a good product. So they are presenting the product. They are convincing you to buy the product. They are selling this for, let's see, you can just buy the spare brush heads for $9 separately, but one product is $19. The thing is that we have found some products. So now we know what products are trending. We have thousands over thousands of examples. We just have to pick some of them. Alright guys, so now we know what product we want to sell. How do we find a supplier for that product? Because remember, we are drop shipping here, so we don't have to buy the product. We're going to have to find a supplier for this product. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to the product, right click, and click on search images with Google. This is basically just like writing something on Google, but you're not doing that. You are selecting an image and Google is going to find your results based on that image. And right here is telling us to select an area to select with lens. Let's select this area right here, and it's gonna find us all of the stores that are selling this. Now remember, we wanna make a profit on this. We're resellers, right? So these guys are selling it for like $20. So I would guess that the right price for this will be around $6 to $8, something like that. Now, all of the websites that we can find right here, for example, this one is selling it for $49, which is insane. You're gonna find a lot of results, such as this one, which is not good, of course. Let's see the first one. The first one is being sold for $25, which is even more expensive. If we scroll a bit down, you are going to find an AliExpress link. Now, in this particular example, it is out of stock, but if you click on it, you're going to realize that you can find this product for $7.87 on AliExpress, which is a very good supplier. Now, in this particular case, as you can see right here, this item is no longer available, but don't worry. All you have to do is scroll a bit down. You can always find another seller that's selling the exact same product for cheaper. So this is $10. This is actually $2. Let me check on this. Yeah, so the price for this is $5.44, which is very decent. And if you scroll a bit down, you're going to find a lot of other options that range from $6 to $12 of the same product. These are all different sellers, but they are selling the product for different prices. So you got to do some research in there. You're going to make a list of sellers and come up with the best price. When it comes to automation, you definitely need AutoDS in your life if you want to be a successful dropshipper on eBay. AutoDS will take care of everything, and I mean everything when it comes to your eBay dropshipping store. So in order to link our eBay store with our AutoDS account, all you have to do is click on the name of the store, click Add Store, and on the left-hand side, you're going to see eBay Store. Click on that, click Continue, and this is the step where you can connect your store, so all you have to do is click Finish. So on AutoDS, you're going to have the option to find hand-picked products. Now, these products are hand-picked by our team, and they are doing 24/7 work just to find these products for you. All of these products are proven to work, and they are making huge waves on the market. So in order for us to import any product from AutoDS to our eBay store, all you have to do is find a product that we like, click on it, and from the product page of AutoDS, click on the Import Draft button. Before that, make sure that your eBay store is selected from here and no other store. This will send the product in the draft section. From the draft section, you will have the option to edit the product. And once you finish, you can click Save and Import. This will import this product right into your eBay account. By doing it this way, you don't have to do any of the hard work. Everything will be done by AutoDS automatically. Now, here's a cool thing about AutoDS. When you link your eBay store with AutoDS, you're going to get this section that's called Orders. You're going to see all of your orders here. Everything is going to be updated live. And also, if you want a cheaper option, a cheaper supplier for the products that you're already selling, you can click on Sourcing Request and post a request, and AutoDS will source the product for you at the best price on the market. Opposed to this, we have the manual way, and that takes a lot of time. Once you find the product and once you find the supplier, you have to go to their website, copy and paste everything you see there from the supplier's website to your eBay product page, download all of the images manually, upload them to your eBay product page, so on and so forth. You have to do this with everything. AutoDS also has this amazing function of customer support where you are able to answer all of your customers' messages in one place. From the messages section, you can send automatic message to your buyers. And also, if you want to sell print-on-demand products, we also have that option on AutoDS. When a product from AutoDS catches your eye and you really want to start selling it on eBay, is to just click on it. This will take you to a product page from AutoDS that will show you a lot of useful information about that product. It will tell you how much you can get the product for. It will tell you how much you can sell it for on average. It will tell you what's your potential profit. And also things like engagement score, saturation score. Also, I just want to let you know that there is no such thing as product saturation if you know how to market a product correctly. You'll also have a target audience if you want to run ads. Also, if you want to run ads, you're going to have some recommendations here for somebody else that's already running ads, so you can check out their ads and see how they are doing. In this particular example, we have Facebook and TikTok. If you scroll more down, you're going to find one of the most useful things about this product page is the fact that you can see other competitors. So this is the competitors area. It will basically show you other stores that are selling the same exact product. So you can click on them and it will take you to another website that's selling this product so you can get inspired. You can learn a lot from this. And these stores, they are usually pretty good. You can learn a lot of things from them. So you can just scroll around and see what they are doing and how they are doing it, so that you can apply the same things for your case. For example, I really like the way that this store is doing product description right here, so I can take this and learn from it. I can maybe copy and paste this to ChatGPT and tell it to remake it, and it will give me a better version that I can use on my eBay store. Now, next up, we have fulfillment. So what are you gonna do when someone buys from you? Of course, there's always the manual way. You can fulfill that order manually. You can just take your customer's information and forward it to your supplier. The supplier will take care of everything for you, but it takes a lot of time and energy. You have to take every single piece of information and manually input it, manually copy and paste it to your supplier. On the opposite side, we have AutoDS, which will basically automate everything for us. All you have to do is go to orders, and here you're going to find all of the orders of your eBay store in this case. And you can also see the status of your orders. So right here, you're going to see pending, ordered, shipped, delivered, canceled. And I want to let you know that everything that you see here happens 100% automatically. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to lift a finger. AutoDS is going to take care of everything for you. So every time and anytime you're going to get a new order, AutoDS is going to take that order and they are going to do all of the work for you. You're just going to get a status update here. And also, if by any chance we don't have the product that you're looking for, you can always source a request for a product. You just go to sourcing request and our team is going to take care to source the product for you at the best price possible. So guys, I hope that this video was useful, and I hope that now you understand that doing dropshipping on eBay is possible, but it's a bit tricky. You just have to be careful. And also, when it comes to product sourcing and fulfillment, it's best to leave that on someone else's hands. In this case, an automation software that will take care of everything for you. Otherwise, you're going to waste a lot of time, energy, and money. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.